Hi friends, so today I'm going to make a wooden tree shelf. Pretty excited about this. It's actually the #1 reason why I wanted the saw. If you don't have a saw, then you can phone a friend or a family member who does have a saw, or maybe sweet talk someone at the hardware store to doing the cuts for you. I know places like Home Depot and Lowe's do cuts at most of the stores, but some of them have rules like where they won't cut less than 12 inches. So just find out, just call your local store if you don't have a saw. But this is a 1 by 4 by 8 foot, and I cut it down already. I still need to sand it and stain it. I'm gonna do that off camera, but the cuts that you need are 5 8-inch pieces, 1 7.5 inch piece, a 5-inch, a 10.5 inch, and a 16.5 inch. These right here are for your shelves, and this is actually gonna make the frame. You're gonna wanna glue it together, but I cannot find my clamps. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually be able to glue it unless if I can kind of figure out a way to push it together or find my clamps. But I also have this brad nailer, which I'm going to use to kind of just secure the pieces in with either a nail or a pin. So that's what you need, and I'm going to get started on this. Okay, so I went ahead and attached this all together off camera because there was going to be a lot of cursing and swearing and name calling and threats of taking this outside office space. So anyways, hopefully you have a little bit better luck than I do with a nail and hammer. But the reason why is because I was going to use the wood glue to put all the pieces together. This whole thing and this whole thing is with wood glue. I did not use the other pieces because I don't have proper clamps for it. If you have clamps, use the wood glue. And then if you want to, you can always make it more sturdy by using nails. So for me to do it with nails, I use my staple gun and stapled these 3 corners so it would kind of be steady. And then I turned around and I put nails in here, here, and here. So you might be fine with using hammer and nails. I tend to never get it in straight. So now the plan is to leave this side like this. I actually kind of like the staple look, and I use silver nails too, so it kind of just matches. But if you don't like that look, you can also just paint it brown. You might be able to stain it, but just a little bit of paint that matches your stain color, or if you did paint this instead of stain it, just put a little bit on it and it won't be as noticeable. But I like that look. Now on the back side, there's a little bit of not so pretty right here from me stapling it and pulling it and stapling it, and yeah. So that's okay because the original plan was leaving this side raw, and then on the other side I'm going to paint this white and then put glitter on it. If you like this the way it is, leave it. I wanted to have like a dual-sided thing depending on what I wanted to put on the shelf each year. So I'm gonna do glitter on one side so it would match my little glitter village that I'm gonna put on here. So I'm gonna do that now. Awesome.